Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make your iPhone brighter. If you're using any iPhone and your iPhone brightness is low, so today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that issue and how can you make your iPhone brighter. So you must have to open up your settings. In settings, simply scroll down and look for the display and brightness option. And here you'll get some options. So first of all, you have to disable the true tone option, and once you have disabled, simply scroll down and you will get an option of night shift here if you have enabled this. So you must have to disable that settings, and once you have disabled, you will get the brightness customizer. You can easily increase or decrease your iPhone's brightness from here. So and that's how you can easily make your iPhone brighter. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.